Here's how you can create a new page on your real estate website and also how to use the custom content widget. Log in and go to Manage Pages. Find a custom page not in use, for example, Custom Page 4. Click on the pencil icon and then under Menu Name, title it what you like this page to be called. Then under Page Name, do the same thing. The page name is what you like your page URL to be titled, and you see up there that it changed. Then click on Save and edit this page. Scroll down and select the Custom Content widget. Once it's selected, click on the pencil icon to open up the editor, and here's where you will add your content. Once it's added, you can play around with the text color, add images, links, however you like it to be customized. Here I'm going to change the font and increase the text font. And after you're done, click on Update to save your changes. And to make this page visible on your site, go to Manage Pages, find the page that was created, and on the right side, check mark it blue so that it's visible on your site. Now you'll see that the new page has been added, and when you click on it, your content is there. And that's it. Thanks for watching.